Total accepted campaigns 130. They just accepted me to 130 campaigns that I have, videos that I've already done, content that I've already done. So if you're an Amazon influencer, you've been around a while, you started to earn some commissions, you've done all the videos and everything in your house, you know it's about time to start reinvesting some money into the program to try and, you know, push past, break that glass window, you know, that you have in front of you. But you're going to need tools to do that. Now, I chose to do to get Viral Vue, and I'll have a link down there for 10% off for life. I'm telling you, it pays for itself. $80 a month for the Pro plan, and I've doubled my Amazon commissions since I started using Viral Vue. Between the Creative Connections program, between the product finder, between the accepting campaigns, just the accepting campaigns alone skyrocketed my income. It's just crazy. So it pays for itself. It's worth every penny that you're getting it for. Other people don't want to spend money on tools to use. You know, a carpenter needs a good hammer. He's going to upgrade his hammer. He's going to get a better drill. He's going to always upgrade his tools. So if you want to be a serious creator, you've got to upgrade your tools. I'm going to jump in and tell you a couple of things that Viral Vue does. Okay, so come on inside and check this out. Okay, so you get to the web. This is the web app. Okay, so we're going to come down to the profits tab over here. This is crazy stuff. It's going to tell you your lifetime earnings, your revenue created, your items sold, earnings for the year through Viral Vue. It's going to give you everything broken down, but this is what I like. So let's go down. So you got the overview here that's got all your graphs on everything you got, right? All your where you're getting your income from. Now the influencer on site. All right, these are all the products you've done videos for. Okay, now if I want to know if it's paid for itself, okay, I can just come over here and all of these products have paid for themselves. If you're doing product research and you're buying products to review, okay, this is how you're going to find out how you're making your money back. Now also, if you take a look over here, it's going to give you month by month, it's breaking down how much each item is working. So if you've got 4,000 videos, 10,000 videos, you can go through and find out how much each product is making you, or each video is making you every month for the year. And you can find out if it's worth doing. Maybe you want to double down on some content and make more stuff, right? And that's just this tab, okay? The influencer, they got your associates tab. For your offsite does the same thing if you're an offsite person, right? Your creative connections, this is all your creative connections information, all everybody you've done videos for in creative connections, all the earnings you've made in creative connections. This is incredible stuff. This is where you're going to make some money, the revival opportunities over here. Now this is going to tell you products that you've done videos for that you used to make money for but no longer make money. So the last sale on this product was May 31st. I made 178 sales on this product. So I might want to go and check this out and redo videos, and I can go here and click and it's going to bring me right to my videos. All right, but I've made $1,300 on this product. I might want to get a video ranking again because that's a money maker. So this one here, September 30th, 2024, you know, total 4 sales. This one had 21 sales, April 30th, 2025. So why did this one stop? So, you know, I can go and investigate, and oh, there's no video. Something happened to the video here. So now I know I can go make a video for this product, all right, because I know I'm making sales on this product and earning some money. And this is how you're going to make money hand over fist with Viral Vue, and how you're going to how it's going to pay for itself, basically. It's just incredible. And this is just the web app. You can always have up here, you got the drop down, right? And you can bring it over to the Amazon Creative Connections, where you have the Viral Vue extension here. Now you can open the product view and request samples, and there's templates and everything, and you can see my other videos. You see me doing that all the time. The accept related campaigns, when you do that, you accept tagged, right, and accept auto linked, and let's start it, and it's going to go through all my videos. Okay, right now there's 1,600 videos in there, and they're going to auto link ASINs to check is 985. They're going to go through every video, see if any of the videos are in Creative Connection campaigns, and sign me up for the campaign so I can earn commissions on those videos. This alone has been skyrocketing my income, my commissions every monthly to Creative Connections. Now, of course, Creative Connections might not last. I think it's going to be there for a long time, but now this is going to take some time. It takes 22 minutes, and it's already found one campaign to sign on to. And you know, you do this every 2 days or so. Some people do it every day. I'm going to have to let this run for 22 minutes, so I'm not going to be able to do much more with the video. Come back to the main camera. So anyway, Viral Vue, it pays for itself. It's going to double your income. It's going to make you a lot more money as an Amazon influencer. It's going to show you the leaks in your bucket, okay? So you can plug them up. Where aren't you making any money? So you can start making money. Amazon influencer program is like juggling, okay? It's multiple streams of income. You've got brand deals. You've got, stuff you're buying yourself. You've got reselling of products that you're getting. You've got creative connections. You've got live streams. You've got all kinds of stuff going on with the Amazon influencer program. You've got off-site and on-site traffic. So you have to keep track of all this stuff. Viral Vue is going to help you keep track of everything so you can see it in one place, see where your money's coming from and where you need to double down and make more money. This is the tool every influencer needs, okay? Viral Vue, I'm not kidding. It's really doubled my income in the past month. It's incredible. I'm back to where I was at the beginning when the program was really great, and I'm very excited to be part of it. The link will be down there, 10% off. For life. Okay, that's crazy. For life, not just for the first time, not a trial period. It's for life. So you're going to get 10% off for life. It's $80 for the expert for the pro plan. So get the pro plan because it has all the bells and whistles, and you need to have all the bells and whistles in order to make the most money, and it's going to pay for itself and some. Okay, so check that out. Any questions, leave me a comment down below if you have any questions. If you want me to focus in on any of the things Viral Vue does so as you can get a head start or boost up. Another thing that Viral Vue does, if you're a brand new influencer, they want to be the tool for the brand new influencer, the new Amazon influencer. They have a order history they'll scan your order history, and they'll put all the stuff in your house. You hear everybody saying, start off by doing all the products in your house, right? Well, some of those products aren't sellers, and it's a waste of time doing videos on those products. So the Viral Vue sales history scanner will put them in order of priority, so you can do the ones that are going to make you money, get you ranked on the carousel quickly so you can start making money fast in the program and get you motivated, okay? It's crazy what Viral Vue can do. It's such a vast tool that it's hard to make one video to show it all. So I've got a link for my playlist for all the videos I've done showcasing Viral Vue. If you have any questions, you can check those out and learn something. Good luck to you in the Amazon Influencer Program. Subscribe to the channel. We do all things making money online, Amazon Influencer, YouTube, and affiliate marketing, and all that kind of stuff. So, I touch on all of that, so stick around. Okay, before I go, it just finished. I want to show you the results of that related campaigns search. So check this out. All right, so it checked 2,000 videos. Total ASINs to check was 1620. Total accepted campaigns 130. They just accepted me to 130 campaigns that I have, videos that I've already done, content that I've already done that is in Creative Connections campaigns. So accepted campaigns based on a tag ASINs 112, auto-linked ASINs 18, right? This is incredible. Submit all content, and it's that easy. It's incredible. So the link is there. Take advantage of it before they realize how cheap it really is with how much money you're making because of it.